Hey guys, it's time for another Rerun 2020 video for you. This week, we're going to look back when we were on a trip, actually after camp hosting in Oregon a few years ago, and we stopped into Baker City, Oregon, the A-Frame RV Park. It's really kind of a cool place. We just found it coming off of the highway. It wasn't even someplace we had scheduled to stop. And it has teepees, and you can actually rent out the teepees and stay in the teepees overnight if you'd like. So buckle up, this is going to be a good one. Let's go.
We are in Baker City, Oregon, and we just stumbled upon this little place. Tom had looked at a couple other RV parks, and we saw this one right off the highway and thought, oh, well, let's go check this one out. And it's really cute. And it was cheaper than the other two that he had seen online. So we got a decent pull-through site. It's right on the end. It was very quick and easy to get into it. There we are right there. And the lady said that we could go in and say hello and video. So that's what we're gonna do. Tom is sitting in the gazebo with Daisy. So they're a Good Sam park. I guess they've changed their name. So I don't know if it was A-Frame and now it's this, or if it used to be Oregon Trails and now it's A-Frame. I don't know. It's got a cute little house. Maybe it used to be at one time a KOA. Cute little seating area.
Let's sit out here and move.
Okay. Oh yeah. Well, we'll cut that part out. Oh, they're on that side. They've got some jerky and some jam. Ooh, wild blackberry. That looks delicious. Coffee. Oh, look at this. We get some little foods. Have mail here. Some little. Oh, we need one of these so that your credit cards don't get skimmed. That happened to us in Las Vegas. Oh, they've got candy bars. Okay, citronella candles, some beer, some blankies, and some lotion. Oh, that's cute. Neato. Got some cute stuff here. I like that old cart. Very cute. Oh, it looks like it's for sale too. Not that we've got anywhere to put something like that, but it's cute to look at. $69, not bad. Very cute.
Yeah, thanks. We've done a lot of remodel and it just looks a lot more open and just a lot more friendlier.
Yep, it's very good. So did the name change from A-Frame or to A-Frame?
To A-Frame. It was, yeah, the owner said that everyone called it the A-Frame, and so they were just like, well,
instead of Oregon Trail?
Instead of Oregon Trails, yep. They're like, well, we'll just call it A-Frame then. So.
Get with the program, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, those are cute hats.
Yeah, there's lots of little fun hats.
I like the black one
They're
with
really
the
cool.
sparklies.
With a little bit of sparkle. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah, we have lots of little fun stuff
Awesome.
in here. So.
And you got candy bars.
Oh yeah, right by the register.
Butterfingers calling my name. Butterfingers. Okay, very cute. Very cute. We're happy that we found you guys.
Yes, thank you.
Just right off the highway. Tom had seen a couple others online, and so then when we saw this one, it was like, oh, let's just pull in here because we hadn't made a reservation
gotcha.
anywhere. So,
Nice.
well, thank you for letting me video
Yes,
too.
of course,
So,
you're very welcome.
this is cool. So,
Yeah.
what's the deal with this?
So we were trying to figure out a way when we have open spots at night to make people feel more comfortable coming in, because we just feel like that, you know, you never know if that's somebody's space or if you should be here
Right.
or not. And so every night before we go out, we check our board and write down any of the open spaces, and then when people come through, they just mark off the space, do the regular night drop in the envelope, and that's where they can stay. So
Very
we just
cool.
figured it was a better way to make people feel more comfortable about staying with
Yeah.
us, and
There you go.
without having a reservation or anything. So
Yep.
Yep.
Awesome. So
Very
those are those like chalk markers or something like
Yeah,
that.
I do the chalk markers, and then we just have a little clip of chalk up here, and just
Perfect.
people can just chalk it off.
Perfect.
So there you go.
So, okay, what's with the teepee?
John is the big creator of the teepee there. We're gonna put up like 2 or 3 more, I think, and people can rent them out. They're fully
That's
furnished.
cool.
And they're really neat. And
Is
it's
somebody
so
staying in that
cool.
one? Can we see it?
Yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah. I
Is
don't
it
think
unlocked?
there's, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I can walk out there with you.
Okay, cool.
It's actually, yeah, it's really cool. It's fully furnished. Has a bed, a dresser. Well, it has a full bed, a dresser, and a cot. So 3 people can stay in there.
Wow. We're gonna go check out the teepee.
Cool. Yeah, hi, Pat. You're a
That's
pretty
Daisy.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a real neat little deal. But yeah, this one is 18 feet, I believe.
They're gonna
And
put up more.
They're gonna put up
Oh,
2
cool.
more. 2 or 3 more. So you can see they're starting to.
Oh, yep, laying the
Put the deck,
foundation.
uh-huh.
That is so cute.
Oh, it's so crazy how. Hey there! I'll be right back in to help you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
It's amazing how much cooler it is in the teepee than it is outside a lot of the time.
Really?
Yeah.
I would think it'd be hot in there.
That's what I thought. And then when I was in there, you know, making the bed and things, I was like, wow, I could stay in here. Let me run back inside and grab the key.
Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, check it out. It's got like
Oh my gosh.
a
So what are
gas
we gonna do, rent
fire.
these
Uh-huh. It's
Oh.
furnished.
out? My gosh.
Pretty cool, huh? It's on a deck.
This is awesome.
Tatanka. Right? Tatanka.
Tatanka. Ahihi.
We're probably totally mixing up languages. Oh, so it's got netting.
Oh, and the bed's not made. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, we got.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. It's an open floor, so that's why there's the decking. This is cool.
And then, so like I said,
Oh, and it's open up there.
Yeah, and I think that's what. And see, it's not super steamy or something.
Wow, the
Totally
heat
different.
just goes right out.
Yep, that's. I think that was like the big point of the smoke flat was for the heat to rise and come out. No, you're fine. Yeah,
this
sure.
is
The
so
bed's not made.
handy.
It does. Yeah, full bed, and then we have a cot for anybody who wants
Dresser
to step in.
and a
And then when you check in for the
look at these tables.
TV, we give you a lantern, and so you have a lantern. But we still like to leave it in here. Yeah, just in case.
Oh, yeah.
And then that way we know whoever stayed in here, we can track it back with them. But
This is awesome.
yeah,
This is awesome.
it's really cool. It's really
I
fun.
just thought it was empty and we had to just sleep.
No, we got a bed and chairs and all sorts of fun stuff.
That is
And it's
cool.
just fun. It's
Yeah.
just really cool.
Yeah.
So he's gonna put up, like I said, I think 2 more. So we'll have a total of 3, but we might have 4.
That's
so,
awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's really
So
cool.
when it rains,
yeah, so that's the pull up there. I think that's where you pull the stick
Ah.
out there and then you can close them.
Yeah.
Yep.
oh,
Yep.
cool.
It's really cool. It's really fun. So he'll work on. He wants to get the other ones up for the eclipse, and so that's our goal is to get them up for the eclipse. But
That's cool.
man, they're tough work.
And then you got
They're
a-
hard.
A furry blankie and everything.
Oh, I don't know if they have a totally set price. I think it's like 70 or 80, 60, 70, 80, somewhere around there a night.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
here's the
Wow, yeah.
height
Yep, so
of
then I
the
think
lap.
you can pull them back and do it that way.
Oh, okay. So that's what the poles are crisscrossed in the back too.
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Nope.
So that's pretty cool. A little teepee. So let's go over and see the bathrooms and the laundry area. And there's where we are right there.
It's just kind of cool. They've got grass, they got sidewalks everywhere you want to go. There's a picnic table no matter where you look that you can use, you can sit at. There's chairs. There's another picnic table over here and places to sit.
So these are public restrooms.
Your potty.
So if you're staying in the teepee,
Should be showers.
then you get to come in here. Light switch. Ooh. Hello? Anybody in here? Nope. Okay. Okay. So cute little room. Here's two showers. 1, 2. Nice and clean. And then you got 2 little potty stalls. Okay. Little cozy. I guess you could always lock it. Please, please don't lock the door. Other people need to use this bathroom. Oops. Cozy. 2 shower stalls with a curtain behind a like a saloon door, and then 2 potties. Okay. So 4 dryers and 4 washing machines, folding table. $1.50 to wash. $0.25. I wonder for how many minutes. It doesn't say. So, could take you $1 to dry. Not bad. Pretty little flowers here and there. There's some oxen pulling a covered wagon on the Oregon Trail. We've got the whole field is a dog run? Wow. We could play ball. She's not gonna know what to do off leash. Wow. Look how hazy it is. It is so smoky in Oregon and Washington right now. We were in Oregon and then we were in Washington for a few days. And now we've come back down into Oregon on our way to Idaho. It is icky. So it's really pretty here.
It really is.
Somebody's got their horse trailer that they're hanging out in over there. Probably put their horses in the field in the dog run. Very nice. It's quiet. And it's just off, what, 84?
Yep.
Is that right?
I-84, Baker City, Oregon. On the Oregon Trail. How did you like that one? Rerun 2020. We're going back and looking at some of our earlier videos here at Tom and Lori RV Life. We hope you enjoy this kind of look back. Maybe you're a new subscriber recently and you haven't gone back and looked at any of the older videos. We're creating a playlist called Rerun 2020 that's going to have all of these in it. We're taking most of the video from years ago, putting it with a new intro and a new outro for you to kind of get you up to date. That was Baker City, Oregon, the A-Frame RV Park. It's really a great place to stay. At least it was back then. We're not so sure about it anymore. Hopefully it's still there and still in business. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a new subscriber, please click that subscribe button and also ring the bell Get notified every time we put up a brand new video. Rerun 2020. We hope you like it. Let us know in the comments if you like these videos and would like to see more of them. See ya.